I'm Marin with SCP, and I'm going to show you how I use my blonde solutions in order to transform my client into a neutral platinum. So I'm using Blonde Solutions bleach, and I'm going to be using 10 volume, and I mix it at a 1 to 1.5 ratio because it gives me this kind of fluffy consistency with a little bit of thickness to it, so that way it will hold in place when I'm painting on fine hair. I love Blonde Solutions because it's able to lift even light hair like this, but dark hair as well, to platinum without any damage. It's super consistent, and it doesn't dry out over time. And so for me, I need a color, if my clients are processing for a long time, to sit on sometimes for 2 hours and it not dry out where I have to reapply again. For Blonde Solutions, you also have to mix it for 4 minutes. I also have one prepped and ready to go, so that way I can apply this on her ends and I don't mix it until I'm ready. And typically I like to mix anywhere from 30 grams to 40 grams and nothing more, so that way I have a fresh batch every single time. For this canvas, I'm going to be doing a partial baby light foil and a bold money piece, and then I'll be going through with my second bowl of Lightener, and I'll be popping some platinum pops on the bottom to add some more dimension and just make this feel all over lighter. And I chose 5 volume for that bowl because she's already previously lightened, and so we want to go low and slow and make sure we're not damaging her ends. And then everything on her root area, we're going to be picking up some dark pieces with the 10 volume, and that's going to sit on for a while because I'll still be having to pop pieces on the bottom as well.